First, we should know high voltage battery consists of the following parts: the cover, high voltage box, battery pack, and a base. Let me introduce the high voltage box at first. We have a power switch at the side, and at the front, there is a power display. Here is a paddle shape. The outer ring light is actually a warning light, and on its lower part is another switch. This is a high voltage box interface definition. Two interfaces here are for battery connection, negative and positive, and the two inverter interfaces here for the inverter connection. And there are two communication interfaces. COM1 is for inverter and COM2 is for battery. This is a battery pack interface definition: positive, negative, and two communication interfaces. Okay, this is the case presentation of the battery assembly. First, we put the base on the ground and then place the first battery on it. In the same way, we place the other batteries on it and connect the power cables, communication cables, as well as the grounding cables. Okay, so when all the cables are connected, this is how it looks like when all the cables are connected well. Here, I'd like to emphasize the battery and the battery are in series connection. Okay, so we have one power cable. One terminal of the cable is positive and the other is negative, so that the one power cable can connect two batteries in series connection. But here, the battery and the high voltage box are in parallel connection. So this is why we have a long negative cable to connect the high voltage box and the battery, so that it can form a circling circuit. Okay, about the paddle shape indicator light. When the battery is discharging or on standby, the outer ring light is always on in blue, and each pedal represents 20% of the power. And when the battery is charging, the outer ring light is circling in blue. If it turns red, it means the battery system is giving out the alarming signal. Okay, so when you connect all the cables between batteries and inverter, then we turn on the PV switch on the inverter and turn on the power switch on the high voltage box. Press the button at the front of the high voltage box for 3 seconds. If you see the light is on, the battery system is power on.